Hello. My bad. Thank you, Nick. Y'all really were letting me just sit here with the. Y'all really just let me sit here with the mute on. My bad, gang. I had so many fucking calls. I was just on the call with Mamba. Who watched Mamba's new YouTube video? That shit was lit. Calls. Bro, I've been like going back to. I took a nap after New York session this morning because I woke up at like 6. And bro, that shit. No bueno. I need to not go back to bed. New week. New profits. Let's go. Shit. All right, guys. Bro, who killed it this morning during New York session? I feel like it was a pretty fire freaking morning. On a Rari so fast. That shit. Fish tailing back and forth, hobby gas. That shit is chauffeured. Real estate by the ocean. My bitch brought me one from Oakland. Hi, Luca. Let's go chat. What's up, Xander? T Nuna's back in the building. Alex, what's good? Angela, what's good? Xander, Cypher, RV, what's good? Boy, Rudy, what are you guys up to? Thank you, though. Next, what's good? I send it out. First day back after a nice long weekend. Fuck, wait 1 second. What's up, Luca? P55. What up, P55? What's good, gang? Anyone in there? I got a call with you guys after this. US 30 dub this morning. What's good? What up? How you doing, D Rope? Back in the building. My bad, guys. I'm trying to like middleman something. Not like actual middleman, but like help with something. I hate middlemaning. Like one person's calling you to then other person, you're just like, fuck. All right, bro, look at the orb from this morning, guys. What is this? Is that US 100? Damn. The fuck is good. All right. Yes, sir. That boy Bell with Angelo in the building. What's up, gangster? Salute. Been liking your content and shit lately, bro. Keep it up. What was I gonna say? Guys, this morning was fucking disgusting. I can't even lie though. I'm a little salty about US 30, but she let me eat enough. You know, lights weren't completely off. Appreciate the feedback in the journal. 500 of passing combine. Join NLT Elite after New York session. Excited for the morning lives. Let's go. You in the place to be. You know what I'm saying? Hell yeah, bro. Congrats. Glad to have you here. What was I gonna say? Guys, we ate this morning. So I want to quickly go over, before we get into what we're looking at right now, I want to go over what I took this morning. So I took this, guys. If you guys are wondering what piece of the pie I got this morning, boom. Guys, like literally, I don't know. I didn't want to say it because it sounds like I'm trying to be in an ad, like trying to be like, oh, if you come sign up, then you can fucking whatever, make $1 million. No, but actually, guys, if you came and just watched like New York session, and you guys came and just took New York session tradings with the gang, bro, your guys is like, all I gotta say is your lights would be on. That's the simplest way I would put it. Your lights would be on. No light bill needed. No, you know what I'm saying? But let's break down US30, guys. This is what I was looking at this morning coming in and what I was explaining, and I'm glad I was open to both directions. I'll go over why, right? So let's start by like the 1 hour, okay? Starting at the 1 hour, the main thing that I really saw is, yes, we were in this up channel, kind of came down and we're moving sideways, came up and then broke structure. The only reason why I was pretty open to taking buys heading into session was due to the fact of this sweep right here. So let me just get rid of the sessions real quick, make it a little bit cleaner. Due to the fact that price was able to come down, sweep this low with a big wick, like showing that like it definitely took some orders, and then we just channeled down a little bit and swept it one final time. And once again, whenever I see price action like this, when it's like volume, volume's trickling down, sweeps the low and gets a reaction, bro, if I was a, when was this? You best believe I'd be in that bitch. Easy. I'm signed up but not sure where to find you guys. Once you sign up for the NLT Elite, in WAP, it should be links to directly claim access to the Discord, and then in the Discord's where we do our live calls at. But in here, guys, you can see the low was swept right here, which gave me buy bias already off the bat. So I already had a buy bias kind of going in. I like the range we were in here before session. If I go down to like a lower time frame, you'll see we started kind of breaking out before session. You can see right here, it sucked. I wanted to take these buys above, like when I was looking at the markets, but before session, I don't trade pre-session. We got the bullish rally above, and I was like, damn. So for anyone who was on the call with me this morning, what did I say that I was going to wait for? I want to see, or even what should I wait for? Anyone who even maybe wasn't there. If price is already broken past a level of resistance, heading into open, what are you going to do? What do you wait for? Sorry, guys, middleman job once again. Pull back and break a structure again away from exactly. So all you're kind of waiting for is a retracement to form and build new structure. So what do we do? Come back here, we dropped it on the 5-minute. Price ended up giving us a eyes up here, Mr. Middleman. Guys, if you guys knew what I was fucking helping with, you'd be like, okay. But guys, big news coming. It's coming tomorrow, so you guys will see. It's literally coming tomorrow, what we're working on. So it's not like you guys gotta wait too much longer. I know I always say, been working on something pretty crazy. We'll no longer need to wait. It's coming tomorrow. So, my apologies. But me and Mamba are hype, and a way to help you guys. Xander, that's actually why I texted you. I think I messaged you on Discord, right? Give me back, cuzzo. I can't even trade tomorrow because my broker doesn't even let me trade news. What? Is it a prop firm or a broker? That shit is so W collab. Yes, sir. Good, Luca. What up, Tay? Got my boy Tay 100 in the building. All right, guys, real quick, back to this. On US 30, price came up and rejected. So once we rejected this high and came down, we now have a newfound resistance above that we could buy above. So we came down and then we ended up forming a 5-minute orb. I did not like the price action within it. So I went and looked. What an orb is, opening range breakout. So for the first 5 minutes, we created the high and the low of, since the session open. And then I went to the 1 minute and was literally waiting for some sort of entry criteria to take the trade. So I went on the 1 minute. You guys can see orb was created, went like this, came out. And then as soon as you got that, this closure above, entered in. Did this make a bottom wick? No. Entered at the closure above the orb, and all she wrote. So I got into this little move. This was the US 30 dub for today. And you guys can see account now at 50K. It was at 50K last week when we had those floating profits at the end of the week, guys. Remember, the rest hit me break even. So now we're at 50, but you guys can see all the account history. It's looking pretty freaking blue. I don't know about you guys. I don't know, you guys can see. Oh, and then obviously, whatever, just for people who may not be here. Guys, if you guys are new here, make sure to like and subscribe. Stay tuned. But, yeah, that was that, guys. That's all she wrote. And then, of course, she ended up kind of going after. What ended up happening? Low volume range in here and then kind of going back up. But ultimately, that's that. I just want to go over the trade from this morning. Now let's look at what we could potentially catch now, right? Just remove drawings. Did I just remove all the... There we go. I removed all my indicators. I was like, there's no way. All right, guys. US 30 kind of coming up. I was looking at NASDAQ. Oh, NASDAQ ended up going back down. All right, US 30. You can see we're obviously in this up channel. We've been channeling up, channel, whatever. Now we're coming to these highs. We could easily liquidate this and come down. To me, it does not seem like there's a lot of volume to push. We did just sweep this minor low. So like if I did want to look for something, like maybe this would have been semi-decent, right? Bullish trend, taking out a low, kind of going. But I definitely could potentially see price come up and sweep these highs and give us some sort of bearish confirmation, especially over the left here. We took out these highs, this sweep. I could definitely potentially look for that, right? Let's look at NASDAQ. NASDAQ, we hit all-time highs, right? Or was that? No, not right. Not right now, but we tried to channel back up. The same type of thing. Kind of came up. We already took highs, channel back down, and now we're having this rally back up into this area. We're sweeping previous highs, tapping into here, and looking for a reaction to potentially go. So head and shoulders, yeah, like even here you can kind of see the head and shoulders, right? Like here, it's kind of like the left, head, forming a right. Right? You know what I'm saying? Definitely something we could potentially look for. I don't like NASDAQ right now as much as US 30. US 30 looks a little bit more cleaner, potentially. If I have eyes on it, I'll split screen. And we can go crazy. US 100? Perfect. All right. Hold on. Real estate by the ocean. So you think NAS will go back up? I'm open. I'm open to it, bro. I'm open to it. Guys, please like this stream. Thank you. Yes, please like it, guys. Come on. Fidelity rating has changed to 9.2 is high with upgrades $3. Hey, bro. Whatever floats your boat. Sounds kind of cool. Okay, what? What? Fidelity? Yeah, I don't know what that is. We'll have to see, chat. We'll have to see. We'll have to see. Yo. Don't say anything. Don't say anything too gnarly or on stream. Stream, say what's up. What are you up to? Just golfing. Oh, nice. Yeah, we're good. We're fired up. Live stream's cooking. We're gonna catch some fucking signals. Shit's looking good for tomorrow. They don't even know. They don't even know what's coming. They have no idea. I've been hinting at it. They don't even know. Nah, we're doing good, bro. I'll hit you up after. Have fun golfing. Got you later. Peace. Yes, sir. Peace. But wait, there's more. Hunter is away from passing my 50K combine? No way. T. Nunez, what's good? T. Nunez, what's good? Tay, also, you DM me too on Discord. Please, por favor. By the way. We all guess Blue Blanco. No, it's not the. We all guess Blue Bronco. I don't think everyone guessed it. I don't think so. Guys, okay, so over here on the left side, or on the right side of my screen, we have NASDAQ breaking this, that little thing. I just like US 30 more. All right, guys, we're coming up here to these highs on US 30. Don't necessarily want to buy just right above, but we could potentially see a sweep. There's two things we could do, actually. Here, let's do this. Ready? We're now getting this buy above, right? But at the same time, we're also creating this big-ass fair value gap. So what we can wait for is after we distribute and get a closure above, let's see if we can get a tap into the FEG for a potential entry. So eyes on US 30, guys. Let's see what the frick we're working with. Today I bought the Porsche with the automatic front lift. Most of us did, so just a hint, we'll know what's up. True. Nas could come up here. False inverse fake out. Exactly. Look at it come back in the range. What's good? I was talking about on US 30, guys. It could potentially just take out the highs and go. So I want to see, do we fill that gap? Not entirely yet. We have to wait for that closure. That's the only thing, is it hasn't formed a gap yet. We have another 15 seconds. Bitch brought me one from Oakland. See, it would just suck. Like, it does look like a head and shoulders potentially. Like, every time we made a high, led to a low. It could just be making a high to lead to a low. 30-minute with it too. Don't just re-break the highs, you dumb fuck. Fill the gap. Fill the gap. I want us to come fill this fair value gap, guys. If you don't know what a fair value gap is a 3-candle sequence where both neighboring candles don't overlap. Right here, you could see the gap filled. Not filled, but created. So I'm looking for a tap into there and see if we can get a reaction off of it. Today I bought the Porsche with the automatic front lift. You know the deal. Hop in and hand it over. Look at how much lower a volume happened once we got to the breakout, guys, right? Like, we came up, bunch of volume, kind of stalled a little bit. Looks like we might re-break right here. But I'm just debating if I want to take it or what's good. Five-minute close in like 1 minute, maybe. Not in, guys. Let you guys know. Not in this trade. You're not liking it, Xander? I think I might have to see like a fair value gap get filled or some sort of retracement because we're just buying like at the highest point. If anything, if this just takes off and goes, guys, we could potentially just look for entry on NASDAQ over here on the right. Lou, can you explain to me how many contracts enter 1K on risk on futures with what size stop? I mean, it gets so interesting because like micros, minis, how big your account is versus how, you know what I'm saying? Like, you gotta tell me what size is your account, and all that. No, why the fuck, bro, picked a rainbow? Fuck. I want to say thank you for the dono, but I think it's you just trying to flirt with me, so I don't know what to say. Now I'm totally kidding. Thank you, bro. That'll go towards the sparkling waters. No, I'm kidding. That's a fade from like literally. Like literally next time I see you, I'm about to fade you for that. That's actually funny. Good shit. Shout out Nick's, guys. If you guys don't come here and watch the London session live streams, Nick be on here killing it. Bro, dude, Fabian, that's the quickest way to get banned from the chat. That is literally the quickest way. You guys should see me and Nick stand next to each other. You'd think not only I was his older brother, you'd think I was his fucking like football coach. He's in Pee-wee's the last month. Pee-wee, no, I'm totally kidding. Yo, Fabian, Sander, what's going on here, fellas? What's going on here? All right, guys, 5 minute. This needs to fucking close though. Dumb. Look at this, guys. Though this is patience, right? You know how many people are in buys here? Not how I meant to come out. You said daddy. What do you mean? Like, how do you mean that's not how you meant it to come out? What do you mean? How do you accidentally just how do you accidentally drop daddy? Like, how's that just like come out? Target bottom wick down here. I would want a closure. That's my only thing. We still have 2 minutes for the closure. And to me, looking at this, there's more points to the upside. There's 26 points to the upside. Whereas to the downside, we now are only looking at 16. It slipped. Only one way to say that. Oh, you said you don't only look like it. Oh, that actually is a different way. That's fucking funny. That's actually hilarious. Sell stop at the low here, partial bottom wick here, runner at break. Wait, sell stop at the low here, partial at bottom wick, runner at break even. You're in already? Boy, Angelo's on it, guys. We got about a minute. My bitch bought me one from Oakland. Today I bought the Rari soap, man. I could. Little 25 pointer. I mean, I'm not anti. Another 20 minutes left in the fucking thing. Give me a top wick. Don't just melt. Give me a top wick or something. Looking for a top wick here, guys. Then we could potentially sell somewhere up in here and discount, target the lows. But we don't want just to go without us. You learn anything, big dog, crazy W this morning and learning the log gang? Hell yeah, Anthony. Anthony, I'm curious with your response. I know that like you were a little hesitant to join at first. I think you went somewhere else and you decided to join, bro, and we've been killing it. I'm just curious how you happy in your decision or what? You wish you never met me? No, okay. Hi boss, what's up? TikTok Pakistan? Sheesh, TikTok Pak. What? Brother, we need you. Slightly did create a top wick, so not worried about tapping that one. Sorry, then. You already in? Jeez, chat. Sells in a discount? Oh, like you think that we're just tapping in here to go higher? Okay. Hmm. Is that what you're thinking? No, I joined mentorship at first, but before you opened up and now passed 3 fundeds in 4 days with you. Come on, guys. That's how we do it. Got the fib down, got the session indicators, learning a lot. Let's go. Look at NASDAQ's breaking out for buys too, while US 30 is kind of selling. What the hell? No, take on me thinking that though, guys, because if you fib up this low to this high, we're definitely tapping like just right into discount. The only thing that's countering that for me is the highs that we're sweeping. Like, look at the reaction that we're getting here. Like, I don't know. Damn, that first sell-off out here, guys. Like, all I gotta say is this: I didn't enter the sells, but you cannot say that I did not call this liquidity sweep. When this first broke highs, a lot of people thought like we're like, oh, why isn't Luca entering buys, right? Potentially looking for an entry, waited patiently, guys. Guess what? We would have been fucking cooked out, right? Patience pays. Probably, or in another way, fib in the 30, we could catch a larger sell-off, probably. Yeah, like but what are you thinking? Are you thinking that? Damn, yeah, if we lead to that hourly flip too, crazy. Selling perks to kiss, what? Look at the difference in volume through NASDAQ, guys. We're just moving sideways. Hey, Angelo, you're killing it too, bro. You called these little, you little retracement. You called the sell stops here, bro. Good shit. Breaking it down like a true genius. Hey, now you got me conflicted. You could be right, though. We still are bullish. It's just that sweep was so aggressive. We got a rejection here, guys. Ivan, what music do you have playing at a little Nick's fave band is Backstreet Boy? Ivan. That's fucking hilarious. Ivan, it's your bedtime. Go to bed. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. Ivan, we love you. Tame Impala? I love Tame Impala. I got to see Tame Impala in person. That shit was lit. Fuck. All right, I can't cuss. My bad. Shit. I mean, no, not shit. No, just, fuck. What was I say? Guys, too many good cuss words you can't use. NASDAQ's volume's low. Learned a lot from you when I was sleeping on them floors. I only had note taking to ease my mind through the cold nights. God is good. Note takers are money makers. Yes, sir. Hey, I appreciate it, bro. Whatever I could do to help the boys, you already know. I'm with the shits. Chopping it up with Braun by real estate by the ocean. Today I bought the Porsche with the automatic front. Everyone right now, drop in the chat. What's your guys' favorite dream car? Or what's your guys' dream car? Everyone in the chat, what kind of cars you guys like? What kind of cars you rocking with around here? Been note-taking stand Lucas sauce, hell yeah. Audi R8, those things are so fire. Chauffeur to Uber X, that actually is hard, bro. I always love like getting picked up in the Uber X. You're just like boss. Boss like Ross. Hmm, 15 minute. 15 minutes struggling, chat, but I might give it a shiggity shot. Tap in a discount. We made like a W. See what we could do, guys. Got my broker open. No, not you, Siri. What the fuck? I might go quick stops to break even if we get like a little pump right here, guys. Because we don't want to just like fill this for value gap and dump. You know what I'm saying? It's only moving backwards, baby. Not a song stuck in my head, Ivan. No entry. I would have taken partial, got stopped here and locked out. Oh, I see her on my phone, Tay. Oh, so you do want sales? I thought you said you wanted the buys. We're only moving backwards, baby. Back, bro, Ivan. That is fucking hilarious. Who's taking the bet? Actually, never mind. I thought some Malibu's most wanted. That's funny. Only moving backwards. Hey, I'm confused though. What time period is this on? Oh, the 1 hour. Yeah. Oh, sells in the discount the 1 hour. Okay. Could have clarified. You long? No, not yet. Especially not NAS. US 30, I was looking at above these highs. Not long yet. NASDAQ, no go. Shut that up. Hourly. What's popping? Sells into. Yeah, no, you're good. When you said sells into discount, I currently had a sell position up here, and then in my head I saw this. This is an impulse, and that we were sitting in discount. I was like, oh, maybe he's talking about that. And I started thinking about it. I was like, oh, well, he kind of right. Why no longs in US 30? Don't understand yet. Because we swept these highs. Like, to me, we still could potentially. I might give it a shot right here when we re-break, but we've rejected up in here so much. If it was like New York session open or something, pulling the trigger with some volume, but you know, trading power hour, we kind of understand there's lower volume than usual, than typical. So there just might not be enough volume to push price for the buys. Exhausted. Reason being is we bought like all freaking day, right? Price could be exhausted. Make sure you guys have not yet liked the stream. Make sure to like the stream, guys. And look, we're even slowing volume in this area, which is even more annoying. What, really? Like, what the hell? You see NASDAQ over here, guys. It's trying. I don't know. For some reason, I think NASDAQ might sink. Low volume. Rudy. Chat. Make sure you guys all like the stream. You already know. Bro, like what? Like what? US 30, what the fuck you doing? I'm looking over here at NASDAQ. NASDAQ's low-key got me sauced up. Summer is actually terrible. I mean, we've been killing the last 3 weeks. Next month's what's usually bad. August. August is usually just ass. July, though, statistically, we usually kill it. August, though, all I gotta know is y'all better fucking still love me. No, I'm kidding. We're gonna kill it. I might give it a try. Thanks to Tay, I had my best day ever during New York for the fourth week in a row. 4K plus on my 100K demo. Let's fucking go. Bro, you deserve that. Both OGs in the chat. Let's go. I met both of you guys from the beginning, and both of you guys are killing it, bro. I love it. Tay's the man. Jago, you the man too. Fuck yeah. Had my best day ever, bro. That's what it's supposed to be about. Hello. I had a smoothie here the whole time. Have you and Emmett figured out extra confluences to battle the August slump? It's just hard because like you don't want to like change your strategy too much because of 1 month, right? But what you can do is like kind of do what I do during power hour, right? Is like understand the markets may not be as good. So like you got to understand like this setup looks good, but what if there's not volume? What's the probability of this pushing? Because this is a good this is a good example of like this setup looks kind of good of like this is a clear bullish impulse, guys. Like this is not bad price action. We had a high, made a nice higher low, and led to a high in like 2 little moves, right? So this is nice market structure on the way up, which is why I marked this up as the fib level, right? High to low, pullback in the discount 50%. And what have we done since? We've literally just ranged this whole time, guys. So it's low volume, right? You just gotta know. What you can do is actually just take a vacation. Yeah, that's true. I trade good on vacation, but it's different. Like, I don't recommend it for people, especially if you're beginning out, because you don't want to be stressed on your vacation. For me, trading's fun, right? Like, trading's pretty fun to me. I don't get too stressed anymore. So I'm just like stress free, trying to pay for the trip at the trip. Maybe we can get a push, maybe not. Yeah, I'm just like curious. Maybe we need some more liquidity. We keep taking the lows though, then taking the highs. It's like a little bit not confusing, but just like really, like what the hell? Trading is definitely fun even during the trash times. Yeah. You know what makes it not fun is when people are over leveraging themselves, that they're risking money they can't afford to lose. If they're trading on a challenge that they can't afford to lose, that's what makes trading not fun, guys. Like, trust me, like that's not fun. If I was trading with money that I needed and shit, I probably wouldn't have as fun also. So that's why I always recommend, like, guys, don't be afraid to have a job. Don't be afraid to like make some sort of money outside. Or if you have savings, it's different. But you know, like it'll just make your trading journey a little bit less stressful. Three news days in a row going tomorrow. Damn. 5:30. 5:30. 5:30. Crazy. Oh shit, US 30, what's good? Of course at the hourly. Like really? We need a bottom wick for this hourly though, guys. What's good? Today I drove the Porsche with the automatic front lift. Eyes on dirty 30, gang. Eyes on dirty 30. Give me a bottom wick. No, don't just do it. All right, guys, let's go. Giving it a shot. Giving it a shot. Come on. Don't do me like that. See if we can get a push on this hourly, guys. You guys can see jumped in. Obvious, that shit is so good. I jumped in US 30, gang. I might not even let this turn into a losing trade, honestly. Let's go. I got it right there. Be ready to actively manage though, guys. Like, oh, there we go. Come on. NSTP smash. Let's fucking go. Come on. Stop playing. Come on. The volume was way lower. I needed to do a bigger lot size, but still 8. Not letting this turn into a losing trade for sure, for sure. Bang! Curry from deep. Curry from deep. W's, guys. Let's fucking go. We get some W's in the chat, or is it not enough for you guys yet? Where are the W's at? Come on. Spam those W's. Come on. I want to see 1,000,000 W's in the freaking chat, guys. Come on. Spam them. More than that. I know you guys got it. Come on. Come on. Like Xander. Do it like Xander. Absolutely. Come on, guys. Oh, fuck. More W's, guys. Come on. Come on, guys. For free on YouTube every single day. W's in the... Y'all sleep? Exactly. Y'all sleep? Come on. Why you guys sleep? Guys, absolutely amazing position. Stops at break even. Shot US 30. Guys, don't miss out this week. We'll be back tomorrow. See you there. W's. I started zooming on the chat right when Angela said, y'all sleep. I love that. That brought me one from Oakland. No, don't just come right back down. Fuck no. I'm at break even though, chat. I'm at break even though. I'm at break even though. So I'll let y'all know, but that's annoying as fuck. W how cutting hair. That's what I'm saying, bro. That's what we do, baby. All right, guys, my stops are manually at break even. So are they gonna hit me or not? I'm like super close too. Solid risk free. Yeah, it's not really worth it, especially with us like knowing that price could potentially. Oh, let's go. GTFO away from my SL. GTFO away from my SL. Dub today? Yeah, we just caught this little dub right here, except we're about to break even. Well, not yet, but you know. What up, Louis? Good to see you, brother. How you doing? Louis, I got a question. Oh, wait, hold on. Of course. My stops are at break even, guys. Y'all couldn't hear anything, right? Bro, did someone just donate too right at the same time? What's good? Guys, I'm right here at break even. I'm outie. It hit me. Still here, guys. Might look for another setup too. But whoever just donated, I love you. I don't know what the currency that is though. But I appreciate it. Nah, so my bad guys, Mamba called, but basically up in this area, guys, once I saw us make this double top and kind of come back up, I didn't cut any partials, but like I could draw it up here. If you have previous highs like this, and then you get a retracement, and you come back up to the same highs and reject, and then you come back down and take out that same high and reject, this potentially is a good entry, I would say, to target back down into the range like this. Right? Some sort of, right? There's no reason we should come back up, hold these equal highs, take them out again, come back up to take them out again or whatever to continue, right? Like it just, you know, definitely some price action you guys can study, but it was right here. We held these highs, tried to do it again, and then came back in, and it's like, why would it potentially push like a third time? You know what I'm saying? Like, it's just probably not as good. Damn, everyone left when I got on the phone. My bad, guys. When fucking Mamba had a... He's in the middle of doing something that I need some help with, so I don't want to miss it. Sheesh. Damn. What was that? What was that volume? Nas drop finding that little range. I mean, that drop was kind of crazy. Oh, let me see. I know I got stop break even, but was any red? No, okay, good. I was going to check if my break even was red because I was like, wait, I want it to be blue. All my shit's blue. That's hilarious. Shout out to whoever donated though. That was gangster. We appreciate you. Let's do a whole breakdown again, guys. Let's pretend I haven't seen anything. Let's remove this. Let's just do a quick little breakdown again, all right? Hourly, starting to reject. Like I said, we kind of held these highs, came down, could be retracing back into this overall discounted for sells. We're tapping into that. Yeah, guys, we could potentially get, look at that. Reaction off the hourly. Hourly's flipping bearish right now. Good break even, right? Like, guys, at the end of the day, I'm not, people can, I don't know, I'm just not down to hold to my stop loss. Like, if I've already made profit, like why would I not want to, like, keep some of it? That's on hop in and hand it over. Look at the difference in volume, guys. You can see clearly right here, right? Like, look at all these 15-minute candles and how they close in the ranges, right? This whole range is getting engulfed by this one 15-minute candle. Run up on this Rari. I'm clicking until it's over. Mom was calling me. 1 second. Meet you in the house. What up? What's up, G? What's up, gangsta? My bad, guys. That should be the last time Mamba calls me. Daily, even? What are we thinking? Daily looks bullish as shit, though, no? Taking out the low, closing bullish, potentially continuing. Like, the fuck? No, I'm kidding. 4 hour. Nah. Like, if you took this out and you go like, all right, low, to this high, to the low, to the high, it's like potentially follow suit. Yeah, I definitely like this rejection area. Not bad. Trying to think what would trigger an entry criteria for me. We kind of took liquidity here. These are the buys that we were a part of. Got stopped. Oh no, they're right here. Break even. Sells? No, yeah, like I'm looking for the sells. I'm just trying to think like what matches with my entry criteria, right? We're not, I mean, it depends. I was about to say we're not on discount. Because my thing is like, I preached this before, but I'm not really someone who pays too much attention to like what's happening way to the left. I really like current price action. Because you got to be way more precise if you're trying to like target somewhere in here, right? Whatever. So to me, we're still like, this leg is still bullish. That's why I took the buys. But I'm still not against these sells. Like it actually does look good, I can't lie. But I would want like, you know, I guess liquidity was taken there, but maybe we can play off of this, right? Like if this actually leads to a nice impulse leg, right? We're getting some nice volume here. This is kind of correcting this overall consolidation. Wait for this to create the impulse, little retracement, get in on the lower high to try and go. Because we're still only making like the first low like right now. Like we haven't really made it even any lower highs. Like we're trying to, I guess here kind of, right? Like made a high, somewhat of a lower high. Very ugly, like, you know, head and shoulders pattern type ish. What y'all think though, chat? What's your guys' thoughts? Hey, look, what's up? Trades yet? Yeah, we took some nice buys. We hit TP1. Was trying to hold a little longer and reversing, so I got stop break even. So not a bad trade. And now we're looking at some potential sells, but I want to see us break some structure, retest, hold, and maybe get in. I always come back here because you remind me of how to think. Retracement, see structure in the distribution. Fire, yes sir. That's good, bro. I'm glad that if you guys come here, it's reminding you of good habits. You know what I'm saying? Chopping shit up with Brahm about real estate by the ocean. Spent a couple million. Sheesh. All right. Well, it's all good. TP smashed on those sells. I did not get on it, but what we can wait for now is that now the volume's coming in for these sells, it's just waiting for some sort of lower high to distribute next. I'm not going to FOMO in just yet. Run up on this Rari. I'm clicking. What? I don't know. I need something. For real, for real. Patience game, guys. Run up on this Rari. I'm clicking. I need to get a different song stuck in my head. Holy fuck. Oh, is Danny live? Oh, Danny's in the buys. Danny's in buys on NQ. Is it NQ, right? Yeah, Danny's in these buys, guys. That's actually funny. That's funny. Facts. What a legend. Run up on this Rari. I'm clicking. How many max trades do you take a day? I usually take 1 to 2 during New York session. You know, usually just 1, but 1 to 2, and then I'll come back down here during power hour and usually take another one. Right? That's about it, though. If you guys are having trouble with trading or too many trades a day, whatever, guys, go watch my recent YouTube video on what's better, trading 1 hour or 10 hours a day. Everyone, go watch it, please. Run up on this. Where are you? Ooh. Less is more. Always. Guys, even on like NQ here, like, I can honestly see why he's buying. Like, Danny only goes for these little moves. Right? Take a couple candles, I'm out. I think higher time frames, though. Good sell-off opportunity. Damn, when he said video, I'm on these charts all day. Guys, everyone, go watch it. Should be right here. Just to better understand what I'm talking. Who the hell is this guy? But before we jump into it, make sure you guys subscribe. The hell is this guy? I don't know who he is, but listen to what he had to say about being subscribed or whatever. Probably the right thing to do. Damn, we're all, wait, what the fuck? 2 seconds later, we're in discount. All right, was good. Oh, damn, look at that. What the fuck happened? I want to go back. That's actually hilarious. Got 5 cards. Let's go. Go, Meech. Come on, you know the deal. Hop in and hand it over. We're in discount now, guys, but look at the volume coming in for this. What the? Come on. That's kind of ugly, though. That's kind of ugly, though. Starting to reject within here, guys. We are within discount, but we gotta wait for an M formation, especially because of the volume coming back up into here. Wait for it to like retrace, go like this. For it. That dude and Chef Houdini, CEO of Cafe Day. Chef Houdini, CEO of Cafe Day NLT. I actually like that. Where my chef's hat at? Where my chef's hat at? Honey, where's my super suit? I should have show food. Um. Hmm. Need that drive-through reel, bro. Yeah, I need to start being more funny on some reels and shit again. I'll get back to the grind. For sure, for sure. Sheesh, guys, I'm contemplating. Oh shit, there goes the cells. Fuck. There goes Nas. Just brought me one from Oakland. See if we can get another rejection, guys. Let's see. Will the win streak continue, guys? I literally like haven't had a losing trade. I'm not even trying to like flex. Like on my live account, I haven't taken a losing trade in like over 2 weeks. It's all here. It's all here documented. I think we took a loss here last week on live, but I was on my futures accounts because I knew it was a low probability today. The only reds you could see that $8,000 withdrawal and then a $40 break even. I want to keep the blues up. Fuck. I'm debating it, guys. I don't know if I want to, if the winning streak will be broken for this. Go short. How about you go short? What? How about you go short, sir? You do whichever you want. Oh, that 15 looks good, guys. Yeah, shorts look good. If you guys want to hop in, definitely come Wickfill this for sure. Give it a go. Give it a go. Give it a go. NASDAQ, no go. $30 just open. What does a 30-minute look like? It looks good, guys. I feel like I don't know why. I don't know why I'm just not liking it. I don't know if it's an intuition thing or what, but it definitely follows it, guys. Up channel, liquidity sweep, tap into the 1 hour for value gap. Not for value gap, supply. Found an impulse leg retracement, lower high. In discount. I don't know. Clear stops at, well, you already got it wrong, sir. You're talking about the wrong pair. We're not on that. Popped in and went from Oakland. What? 1250 should spill some beans. I know. I think the bill's already been spent though. Like I said, or spilled. Like I said, I should already potentially shot and discount. The thing I didn't like about it was how fast we distributed into discount, and then we had a reaction off of it. But I usually wait for like an M formation, right? And I'll show you the reason why. So let's say like this is the supply or whatever, even like the impulse. So like this is impulse. We were traced back into discount here and just tap. A lot of the time, if you get in on the first tap, it could easily just go like this and continue up higher, right? What I wait for is for price to like not only come into discount and tap, but then hold again, like show it doesn't want it, and then look for like the continuation, right? So that's the only thing that I'm not seeing that made me kind of knock it into that, right? We just kind of came up and tapped kind of just once, but you know, you can see we kind of missed out on. I mean, we're not, you know, dumping or anything. It still could come back and go bullish, but definitely was a nice little sell-off right there. I mean, ultimately, guys, what we have 15. Yeah, I don't know. Guys, for anyone who's in the mentorship, I have a call with you guys in 24 minutes for the Mamba thing. So I have that call for anyone who's in there from here, or whatever. Make sure you guys are there. And then, yeah, look at that, guys, already back up in here. Like I said, I'm just not convinced yet. Definitely not convinced. You could do what the other guy says and just go short, but now we're in drawdown. No, I'm kidding. Ultimately, guys, I'm being completely honest. I think that I probably won't take another trade. Even on the 1250, right? Like we could stay on here and wait for the 1250, but unless you're like in a trade before the 1250, then it just, you know, you're not going to enter on the 1250 candle, right? So, yeah, there we go. US 30 going back up. We shall see. I still think US 30 could be good. Still think the shorts will play out. We're still within that hourly supply rejected. We're starting to kind of distribute a little lower, but I don't think it's going to happen right off the bat. But it's all good, guys. We caught a little W today. Good way to start the week. I'll be back tomorrow on stream, so don't miss me too much. And let's have a great week, guys. If you guys want to live trade with me in the mornings, the link's in the description for the WAP. And it's for Currency Cave, Tay, but I'll be there for Wednesday for you guys as well. But I mean, Tay, if you want to, you could just DM me for the link. I don't care. But nonetheless, what I was gonna say, I'll be back tomorrow, guys. I'll be back all week. If you guys want any help or anything, let me know. My DMs are always open. Stay tuned, guys, for the announcement tomorrow. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, follow my Instagram. Stay tuned for what's coming. But I appreciate y'all. Thank you guys so much for coming. If you guys still take trades and you guys catch the 1250 candle or it goes bullish, I'm gonna be paying attention for sure. I'm gonna be hands off just to keep the win streak up, right? Like I don't want to go and just because I'm up, right, doesn't mean I want to go and just give all the profits away just for fun. So being diligent, gonna keep the win streak up, guys. You guys want to come continue the win streak? Link is in the description for the WAP AM sessions. But for these live streams, guys, I'll be back tomorrow. So don't miss me too much. I love y'all. Peace out, gang. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Don't miss me too much.